bacho Basintale dey. Wo say ya allege won.
Minister of Finance na biaba.
Mate. Na me ni mukure ni
5 nko ono nko you 5 billion and what the court toilet allegedly.
Nti we Ghana for nwa.
And 90 billion or so the koye bedru ni konsusa.
Na we ye wanya wo sua ni leader.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Edba Ghana Nsem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section ameje also. Who share me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje also sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Ghana Nsem TV channel also. They are the new patriotic party amenyuko. They are power 2028 inshallah. Dr. Nyame president. Now also the power by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi John Dramani Muhammad the book at neze ebu die. Ya me ni amene ya fa the Messiah Dr. Nyame Amade na sase bebe fiu. Na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina se amanyosem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyosem nye mprint ne amanyosem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti dachi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. I just said, be a home bachelor.
Me bacho Basintale dey. Wo say ya allege won.
Minister of Finance na biaba.
Mate. Na me ni mukure ni
5 nko ono nko you 5 billion and what the court toilet allegedly.
Nti we Ghana for nwa.
And 90 billion or so the koye bedru ni konsusa.
Na we ye wanya wo sua ni leader. Abante wo sua ni leader wo sua John Dramani Mahama.
Oh, na John Mahama onya corrupt.
Deba, one onya corrupt.
John Mahama.
Onya corrupt.
No.
Na Abante makaso we corrupt.
Na we ka so sua ni leader.
Asa woni ndia me pesa meka.
Kan wasem ne koy.
Wo sua John Dramani Mahama. Wo koto toilet roll. John Dramani Mahama betra so no koto pad. Or discussing a quarter pad, no. We quarter pad be amount of money a better abonten. So we disika we quarter pad and Kwasia. Then to also quarter a year. Toilet roll Ghana for any abre. We also need that because some we still sika no. Say sika ni one more. And come on your money no. O mama Ghana for we say sika ni one mine pato because you should figures be a bit abonten a. O mo for nyansade a e chese Ghana has kawa. What do you mean tell sika enti sa enkoto pad ne ebe ya dwale di sa pad sika ya John Dramani Mahama endi kokko sika odi koto pad nga betimi ya kwan betimi ya schools kakra hospitals wo de ko share pad mu enti Abante enso so ba ya no se do odi achire so do odi kan lante enti the president of the land John Dramani Mahama atam sika twitwi di koto pad ya meso so no koto toilet roll akwasi say o waste sika no into leadership by example we ye leader to no ma ye no mo mu wachi so I dey afolo Abante we sika na sika o sika e bosia enye bosia e sika de Ghana he ya e ma mu yusu sika ni wasi ni kwa we nyansa be ne wom
We nyansa be ne omse
on say sa wo hwe NDC o mamamu a o mu bu no a from amamu da umdi kan ba yansa na o mu ko ni nyina no na mo ka cha ye se NPP fo no e yade o mu di esika e yade o mu se yesika ne bebre wa bra ye nya so mfa so enti na me expect se NDC fo no mo mo ndi o mu ba yidie o mbe man fa so aba yesika no so ama yesika no ye nya so mfa so bebre ba sa wo hwe Malik asem ya babon te allege ya me ade be ha na e ya allege bia na to da bia aya na be wiase na no kore e bata ho ebe wiase na abo wo ma na afo mu hu nsem a omunka ti me allege bebrebe no ya na to da bia na me nhyɛ da M4 omu so efise se enya asem a e wo ho ampa enka ye mfre ye wura Malik e ma ne nkyerɛkyerɛ mti na ya ade e wo ho but ono no anyantum nti wa anyantum le kire se bibi sa akoso na bia enwe peye enti no mesere se omo sise ska no omo fa nya ehia se de ye Kenya sa 9 million Ghana cedis no ye besere 90 pe mo omo fa mra na ye huru de eko because say ye bedua na say ye ba bedua ko su sa kekepa ko su ade ye nua me ni fi ya ba wiase pa me so ko su sa ye dua ne hu no keke ne ko bokura o horo ho na se wo hwie bu keke kra etimi fifi me ni fi ya me fi ya me bedu sa mri me hu se dua ko su sa enti won ko no pem na chin sa mra biem na do kan ye nte ni aso no esisi wo ho Uti me dance or da kropa me kan chese ko su sa a wo dua odi na je se ko su sa no asase du ko se na wudi dua na edudu say na was a kom because and somewhere there and a kon so anankasa kwa no then na ebe ye dia maye e wo so kon so wo ka ka se mbeka se sa anemia and so eno nko anu kwa dia na ebe ye
mamuja
no e bia na meken ti anemia na mo se e ba besa no ni fa ru se wa anemia kura mu pa cho enti mu nkasa asa mo kura nche ye bese ye bete kura ya ko Easter ya be de no nke mbese ndisi fuo ye beso je simu so ba de mu ye bia chesa mo she bufuo Malik Nana do dan kwaku for the pen Malik we no
and ebia for ebia na Malik Basintale sa 90 billion ya wo ministry of finance document mu say ya de man di akoye beduru ni konsuso ai ebia na research bi so akoso e kire say Ghana for do na hia moja
aye de be drink na sa konsuso ano ya de be drink na ana e ba be just me dine ho mentiase research bia no akoso ba bia e sikadie na mo koso mudi mo ma ya wo so mo koso mudi na wo de ya mamuni na mo di so a na mo account a kire ya se zika na mo die no sei na mo di akoduro na ya twem sra ne abasa yie wo timi me dan so da ko pani me kan kire se 90 billion mua enya sika ketua ne kan sa no sika no so papa sa sika wei e mabu na nya adwuma nya okuro mbetimi dia sisi factories bebre one village one down na nado antwa so anya ho hwen kam mbetimi dia to so one district one factory kam mbetimi dia ya ma mabu no to wo mo adentina bepem ne e mabu no su di farodo na e su akuafo su oza akuafo press conference sa ya biem e chese asam na ya omu ya no mu ya mfidia e chese mo di wo mo mo batu mo mrade na nso mo amoa wo mo enti mesere sa ade a mo ye o my Ghana no for your selfish and wicked interest in da bia no mo agenda wo ada bia mo timi sete mo ye o na ya to aba ma mo na mo ka che se ya adwini mo tia no adwini tia na na ye sa ade to aba de tia mo enya first na me ma no MPP ma mo wan dis nti ya de twa furu mantie o de MPP be bia wonye de dis be bia wonye ne bi ni no ena dia wo hwa wasa ya to so aba dia maw enti wo monhwe ye na sika bia wo monhwe wo mudi no sa minister of finance for no monhwe na money account for last kana wo say no
me to de e bia 10 cedis a na se sia no eye entumu beba it should be about 10 points 30 pesos
10 pesos
it should be about 10 pesos it shouldn't be say ebe cut 12 cedis
2 years ago na me turn 8 cedis na me turn 12 cedis meanwhile so no ye to ye dollar ye cedi no ye
I am based on the analogy say the rate at which the increasing say me 2024 23%. And you know, if a Nyama be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a bona also be count. I say a content term do.
I could tell you Nyama ye digina so me de to Nyama munyina bafom. What is the basis?
Basic thing.
Say I was idea where ye tum petrol ye the lorry fare etwa de me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare etwa de. Because nipa ne say Nyama no ye no. So kwa fa de kwa gu ni shop odi gu kam. Car na odigu no car ni to petrol it was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fame and then yento petrol mu yen esokrati
that's right
the boy it is a me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago necessary time na inflation wan ye top petrol 14 cedis a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12 na inflation am 23% na dollar nam 15 cedis any ade na me to enokra no na me to pure water bag ba ko 8 cedis Let's say Nenyamia Yadom, dollar every 14 cities,
about
11. About 11. Petrol no, I take
about 2 cities a free.
Yes, inflation no, I take by 20%
point.
Let's say still here 2 pure water anymore 12 cities here. What is the basis of money to Saudi Manum? Still not PURC for ebe catch say ECG. And Ghana Water Company Limited say, Yanto water bill mo, Yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so, and they increasing light bill and water bill. Because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited, at the dollar, any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jina so. Anyone sign your money in our form. It is also for you to this question. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. He did not ask out of ignorance.
He asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some now but when some now can. That's what most people have been saying, and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I walk on, and just say, and your mabo and cosru. But the can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a put was it a penny say was it pure water a costro and I mean say inflation ya bafoma and can the rate at what things will be increase you know the empanifona minimum woman a pense commission akache and say and can be cost like say can bia it has also done a train ebia inflation no and can bia nya 3 cities in ka be ka san o mo ka say the rate at which things will be increase no e be bafom. What you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, Yahweh, dear me, my car, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch you say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. About no, he's trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go forward there? What you say? And I know some money can say Pulican Abba Abama and your man Abba from oh, until the making. Me say, so what you buy be all spoke against you say. I was so no mushia. I'm on no mushia, but nanka way my no. The phone chimes or more call a penny say a port wa near man of from Kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama Bono, ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime mine. Or more funny man about how much this one. I buy no critic and other environment. But say individual entity near Maso, I buy to me petrol. It's
right.
So at the end of
what I
say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in Abina and Davy, Nessa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwasia former foreign affairs minister. You remember Asabi and his wife?